Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Jessica Rita. You're running late for work, you're running late for school, you're running late for your, I don't know, your appointment, your big meeting with this company that you're trying to collab with. I don't know, whatever your case may be, how to get out the door. And I'll be honest, it's a little over 15 minutes. But you know what? Hey, life got in the way. I had distractions, had to close a window, had to turn on proper light. But yeah, you guys want to see how to get this soft, subtle, quick makeup? Then just keep watching. I'm gonna set the timer so that I can prove to you that I can really do it. Timer, no, stopwatch. Let's go. Okay, so first things first, I'm going to do pumps of my Amorepacific Moisture Bound Serum. Tap that into the skin. I don't care how late you're running. You don't even have no time. You have to put at least a serum and eye cream on. Down the neck. Go in with my eye cream. That goes inside here. Whatever eye cream you use, go ahead and use it. This is the Kiehl's eye cream treatment with avocado oil. And avocado, thanks. I don't know why I always think of that when I reach for this. Tap it in with the ring finger. Alright. Now that's setting and drying, we're going to go ahead and go in for our eyebrows. So we have somewhat of a nice base to put our eye makeup on. I did film one prior to this, but I had eyeliner. And I don't know, I didn't like the way it came out. And I told myself, you know what? You gotta be practical. That's not practical. Running late, trying to get out the door, you're not gonna put no goddamn eyeliner on. Okay. So already at 2 minutes. Probably take 10 minutes to do my eyebrows. Do your eyebrows. Whatever the case may be, for me, luckily I just have to fill in sparse areas. I don't have to go in and completely reshape them. I'm distracted by the dog. Okay. For the most part, it looks good. Serum is already somewhat dry. I don't put primer on. Usually this is my primer. Then I go ahead and I go in with my foundation. ColourPop in the color medium 100. That all over my skin. Okay, I'm on hitting 4 minutes. I think I'm running out. Go in with my MAC 170. Start pressing it into the skin. Oh. This is my favorite makeup foundation brush. Never really used foundation brushes until I went in to go get the MAC Studio Fix fluid, and this girl, she did a demo on me and she used this brush. Now we're gonna go ahead and buff it out. Try to go down the neck. Oh my god. That better? Much better. Kind of have a little discoloration right there. I don't know if you guys can see it. Again. Going with some concealer. It's a little too much, but anyways. Damp beauty blender. Start carefully sculpting out our nose. We gotta snatch the nose for work. I'm sorry I'm not talking. I'm nervous. I feel like I really have to go to work and I'm running late. I'm actually giving myself anxiety. Oh man. Light pressure. With this concealer, if you move too fast, you're gonna just end up like lifting up product. So you have to go very, very light pressure. I learned that the hard way. Went to work and I was like missing like a sponge area right here. Everyone's like, are you okay? Did you get hit? Do you have a black eye? And I was like, the fuck? What is everybody talking about? My discoloration was coming through. That's all. Everybody freaked out. I was like, you guys shut up. Some setting powder. Focus it only right here because, you know, we want to make it look like prevent from the creasing, but at the same time we kind of want the rest of the face to go like a nice natural dewy-esque to make it look like, yeah, I had time to get ready, but you know what, my skin is bomb today, so I'm not putting on a lot of makeup on. So just right here where I tend to crease. Then because I have oily combination skin, I go in and I set with, oh no, I got scared. I thought I ran out of it. I was like, oh shit, why isn't it coming out? Watch now, that's probably too much product, and it is. Okay, so go in with a big fluff brush. Just dust that all over. Now that I have some powder, I'm gonna have like a smooth surface. I'm gonna go in with some bronzer. I'm using the Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer. On our cheekbones to look snatched. People would be like, dang girl, did you lose weight? And you're like, yeah. Okay, and then for eyeshadow, what I usually do is I'll grab your bronzer, grab a nice little fluff brush, take it into your bronzer, and kind of just like swish it back and forth. And back to the other side, kind of add like a little bit of dimension. You know, matches your bronzer, kind of looks like it's your natural shadow, enhances it a little bit, covers up any veins that you might have, like I do. I have lots of veins. That's that. And then you can leave it like this, but what I like to do is I like to go in with a glitter only on the finger and just dab it on. A shimmer glitter makes it look like you really had time to put glitter primer on, set it, and then just work it in with your finger. Try to stay away from the outside crease, so just pat it right there, right there. Then what I do is I get a nice little flat shading brush, go in with a nice little brow bone highlight. If I can get this shit open, there we go. Okay, I'm going in with Foxy from the Naked Basic palette. Put it right underneath my brow bone highlight. Alright, and with the mascara, any mascara you want, your favorite mascara. Alright, now go in with the brow gel to get rid of this powder from your face. Set. Okay. I'm going to go in with a nude lip liner, any nude lip liner, whichever is your favorite. I need to sharpen mine. Of course, why does it always happen when you're late? You need to sharpen your pencil. Go in with the lipstick, give it a nice dot. And then come in with your favorite gloss. Marc Jacobs in the color Sugar Sugar. And there you have it. Ooh, then you walking in, stunting, shining. A little trick. You're running late. Possibly by the time you get to work to punch in, you're already going to be sweating. Don't add no highlighter. It will make you, by the time you get to work, look like you're very greasy. So Plus, if you have combination skin, you don't put no highlighter, you remove that little aspect out of it. By the time you get to work, you're already gonna have your natural glow. Your T-zone's gonna be shining. You're gonna have some sweat here, some sweat there, maybe some on your upper lip if you're lucky. I never thought my upper lip could sweat until I moved to the desert. But yeah, this is the under 15, a little over 15 minutes if I say. Yeah, 1650. So a little over 15 minutes, but I am okay with that because I took a little bit longer. I had to close the window and I got distracted a few times. But yeah, then that's it. Waltz out the door, punch in on time, and then just be like, yes, like I did this, guys, in under a little over 15 minutes. Okay, guys, I'll talk to you guys soon. Leave me some comments down below.